Welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn how we can make custom mega menu in Shopify Dawn theme. So by the end of this video, you will be able to make your own custom mega menu like this. So you can add multiple menus and you will be able to add different images from the customizer in different mega menus. So this is what we are going to build in this video. Open Visual Studio Code and then open header.liquid file from sections, and here we are going to write some schema. In the blocks, we are going to add another block type. So type would be menu and name menu as well. And then settings. In the settings, we are going to have type text and ID title, and label would be title. Then we are going to have another field for linked list. Type would be linked list, ID would be linked list, and label would be linked list as well. Similarly, we are going to have images field, so that would be image picker, type would be image picker, and ID would be image1, and label would be image1 as well. Then for the caption, we are going to have a caption, type would be text, ID would be caption1, and similarly I will copy paste the rest of the fields for our mega menu. So copy them and paste them here. Save them, and we have one field for link as well. So link 1, link 2, link 3, and link 4. So we have all the schema here. Let's save that and go to the customizer and reload the customizer. And in the header, add a block menu, and in the menu we have all these fields. So first we will add the title here. That title should match this menu item as well. If we are going to add the electronics mega menu, that should be electronics, and we are going to select the menu for electronics. I have already done the electronics mega menu, so I will select electronics for electronics, and I will add another block, and here I will type clothing and select clothing menu. Save that. Now open this file, header dash dropdown dash menu.liquid from snippet, and I have written some custom HTML over here. So let's make it dynamic. The first thing we are going to do, we are going to write a loop, and we are going to loop through the main menu. So I'll say for link in section dot settings dot menu dot links. So this section dot setting dot menu is coming from header, and if you go up, and you will see we have a type here where we select the menu, the ID is menu, and the link list is menu, and we have already selected that main menu list from the menus. So go back into the code, and in the loop we are going to add this HTML, and here we will type link dot title, and here we will type link dot URL. And now comment the rest of the code. We don't need this li anymore. Comment that, and let's see what we have on the front end. Now we have main menu, men, women, electronics, and clothing, which is coming from here, from the main menu, this one. So next we are going to add the mega menu under electronics and clothing. So open the code again. And uncomment this li. First, we are going to add another loop here for the blocks. So that would be for block in section blocks. And we are going to write a condition here. If block.settings.title is equal to link.title, then we are going to display this li. Let me uncomment this first. And let me copy this li and paste that here. And let's delete the second one. Okay. So reload the page. Now we have electronics twice, and the menu is coming under electronics, not under clothing. So we need to add some more conditions over there. So we are going to say here we will have a variable assigned mega menu false, and if the condition match, we will say assign mega menu true. So if mega menu is true, then we will have this li, otherwise we will have this one. So here I will say if mega menu is equal to false, then show this li. So let's copy that here and remove the extra spaces. So now we have the condition. So let's reload the page again. Okay, now we have men, women, electronics, and electronics. So we are going to, because this electronics is coming twice, because we have hard coded this electronics over here. So we are going to type link.title here, and that will resolve the issue. So now we have clothing, electronics, and now let's make this mega menu dynamic, and go back to the code again. And now let's write a loop here. So we are going to loop through this one. Let's remove this one and this div. So let's remove the remaining one and add a loop here for child links in log.settings and linked list dot links. Let's remove this here. Here we are going to type child links.title, and we are going to write another loop here. Let's remove that. That would be for the subchild for link in child links.links. That's this one over here, and type subchild.title over here, subchild link.liquid. Save that and reload the page. Now everything is dynamic and coming from the linked list. So now let's make the images dynamic. We are going to remove the extra divs. So we need to loop through this div. Let's remove the extra one, and we are going to type a for loop for I, and if we are going to loop through four times, we will write 1 ... 4. So this will loop through 4 times. And for images, we are going to get blog.settings.image _1. But we have 4 images. We need to write some variable here. So we will just write variable for each caption, each image, and each link. So I'll say caption, and then that would be caption underscore, and we are going to append is a filter. We are going to append I. So first time that will be caption 1, second time that will be caption 2, and so on. So let me just copy and paste the other one. This is for image 1, image 2, image 3, and so on. Then link 1 and 2, and link 3, and so on. So I will say here image. I'm going to pass the image in brackets. So this is the variable that will change every time when you loop through. So here I will say blog.settings.image brackets link, and here we are going to add a filter for image underscore URL, and the size of the image 500 pixel. Save that and reload the page. Here we need to get the caption as well. So that will be blog.settings and caption. Save that and reload the page. And now you see we don't have images because we have not uploaded them in the customizer. So reload the customizer and try to upload some images. First, we are going to add some images for clothing. So go to the header and click on clothing and upload some images. Let's just add some random images here. image 1, image 2, and image 3, and image 4. Done. Save. And now reload. Go to the clothing. Now we have 4 images, and similarly we can add the captions as well. In the customizer you can add the captions. Let's add the image in the electronics. So just choose some random images. So let's add this one. Save that. I added only 2. So let's see how many we have in the electronics. So you have 2 images. So you can add up to 4 images, and you can add the image link as well and image caption as well. So this is how you can make the custom mega menu in the Dawn time. Thank you.